Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
Whether you're a retro gaming enthusiast, a modern-day competitor, or someone who simply loves the nostalgic thrill of arcade classics, the arcade stick with screen is about to take your gaming sessions to new heights. In this episode, we're going to unveil the features, marvel at the sleek design, and experience the immersive gameplay that these arcade sticks offer. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of arcade stick on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
The JZW-Shop arcade stick offers an immersive gaming experience across various platforms, making it an ideal choice for multi-platform gamers. Compatible with Windows 10 or above, Steam Deck, PS3, PS4, Switch, Raspberry Pi, Mister, Android, Linux, iPadOS, Mac OS, and Windows. Featuring precise button layout and ultra-low latency, the JZW-Shop arcade stick enhances gameplay accuracy and speed. Equipped with 4-direction buttons and lightning-fast low-profile linear switches, it minimizes input errors and facilitates rapid, accurate movements. Powered by the Raspberry Pi RP2024 main control chip, this arcade stick boasts a 1 millisecond delay and supports firmware updates for optimized performance. The hot swappable buttons enable easy customization, allowing users to replace mechanical keys effortlessly. With custom RGB lighting effects, the arcade stick elevates the gaming ambience. Transparent acrylic construction coupled with RGB lighting creates visually stunning effects that can be tailored to match different games, enhancing immersion and aesthetics. The included web configurator enables users to customize lighting parameters according to their preferences.
Number 2.
The 8-bit Do arcade stick offers versatile gaming control options tailored for different platforms, including Nintendo Switch, Windows, Steam, including Steam Deck, and Xbox. This arcade stick provides comprehensive connectivity with support for Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired connections, ensuring seamless integration with various gaming setups. For Nintendo Switch, Windows, and Steam users, the 8-bit Do arcade stick comes with its own dongle conveniently placed in a slot at the front, along with a USB-C port for charging and wired connection. In contrast, the 8-bit Do arcade stick for Xbox supports 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity with its dongle and a wired connection, omitting Bluetooth support. However, it compensates with an open USB-C port and a headphone jack, offering added convenience for Xbox gamers. Furthermore, both arcade sticks are designed to be easily modifiable, allowing users to customize and upgrade components according to their preferences. However, it's worth noting that the Xbox version of the arcade stick has a significant difference that may be of importance to users, although it's not specified in the provided context.
Number 3.
The Mayflash F300 arcade fight stick is a versatile gaming accessory designed to enhance the gaming experience across multiple platforms. One of its key features is its compatibility with Sanwa Denshi buttons and joystick, offering users the perfect platform for customization to suit individual gaming preferences and styles. When used on PC, the F300 supports both X input and DInput, allowing users to choose their preferred input method for enhanced compatibility with a wide range of games and applications. Additionally, the arcade fight stick features turbo functions with different speed settings, enabling users to optimize performance for various gaming scenarios. Moreover, the wireless controllers that come with your console can be transformed into wired controllers simply by connecting a standard USB cable, with the exception of Xbox 360, which requires an official wired Xbox 360 controller. For optimal performance, it is recommended to use genuine Xbox or PlayStation controllers and quality certified USB cables with the Mayflash F300 arcade fight stick. The Sehawei Haute arcade controller fight stick is a meticulously designed portable gaming accessory tailored for enthusiasts seeking precision and versatility in their gaming experience. Compatible with a wide array of platforms. Featuring an ultra-low 1 millisecond delay, the Sehawei Haute arcade controller boasts exceptional responsiveness and accuracy, thanks to its dual-core ARM Cortex-M0 Plus processor clocked at 133 MHz. Manufactured using a 40 nanometers process node, the controller exhibits low dynamic power consumption and leakage, ensuring optimal performance without compromising efficiency. Equipped with an array of functions, including overclocked polling rate for less than 1 millisecond of input latency, multiple SOST cleaning modes, turbo functions, and built-in embedded web configuration.
Number 5.
The Mayflash Fighting Stick offers compatibility with Sanwa buttons and sticks, providing gamers with the opportunity to customize their arcade experience to their liking. Featuring buttons and a joystick of good quality, the Mayflash Fighting Stick ensures reliable performance during intense gaming sessions. The Mayflash Fighting Stick comes equipped with Mayflash buttons renowned for their quality, making them ideal for customization. With 8 functional buttons, each matching the size of Sanwa buttons model OBSF30, and one start button sized similarly to the Sanwa button model OBSF24, gamers can enjoy responsive and accurate inputs during gameplay. The arcade stick features an acrylic clear panel, allowing gamers to showcase custom artwork or designs beneath the surface. The clear top panel is replaceable, offering users the flexibility to change the panel according to their preferences. Interested buyers can find replacement panels by searching for the Mayflash F500 top clear acrylic panel on Amazon. In summary, the Mayflash Fighting Stick offers compatibility with Sanwa components, ensuring a high level of customization and performance for gamers looking to enhance their arcade gaming experience.